Alright, in this video, I'm going to be going over the basic instructions you can use to program your PLC. In the Instructions tab on the right hand side, if you click on that, under Basic Instructions, we're going to go over bit logic operations first. You've already seen a normally open contact right here. What this does is, it's when it receives an input bit of 0, it keeps the power disconnected so it doesn't flow through. When it gets an input bit of 1, in this case from address 0.0, it will connect and power can flow through. Now, a related coil to this is a normally closed contact, which is the same as this except it has a / through it. What this does is, when it receives an input bit of 0, it lets power through because it's normally connected. If it receives an input bit of 1, it disconnects, and so power does not flow through. On the other side, you have the output coils. You've seen the normal output coil. This sets the address above it to a 1 when it gets power. So normally Q0.0 is set at 0. When power flows through to the output coil, it's going to set Q0.0 to 1. In the previous latch circuit example, setting that to 1 closed this normally open contact, and so power could flow through that OR logic. Now, related to that output coil is a set output. It has similar parentheses with an S inside. What this does is, it only needs to receive power once, and then it's going to keep the output activated, or it's going to keep it set on a bit 1 until you specifically reset it with an R output coil, which you can see right there. So let's use these as an example. Normally open contact, another normally open contact. We can add switch 1 here, Q0.0 there. Switch 2 on the second branch, or second network. And then the same Q0.0 over here. The reason I'm using the same address for these two is because this network sets the output, and even after I've turned off the switch, the output is still going to be 1, so the only way to turn it off is going to be to reset the output just by activating switch 2. So let's download this to the device, or to the PLC, and see how it works.
So when do you download the device, you right click on the screen and say download the device?
Yeah, okay. I already did. So right click and download to device.
Okay.
Updates your PLC with your program.
Okay.
So for switch 1, 0.0, when I activate it, you see the LED is turned on, Q0.0 right there. Now, even if I turn off input 0.0, your LED stays on because it's set by this output coil. The way to turn it off would be to activate switch 2, which is address 0.1. That turns off the output and keeps it off even after the input is turned on. Now you can use these kind of output coils if you want a permanent setting to an output. For example, an alarm. You don't want the alarm to turn off just because the power is disconnected. You want it to stay on. In that case, you would use a set and reset output coil. Now, next in the instructions, actually just